everyone, I am Mansi, a 27-year-old chartered accountant, where I am using my skills to make some videos on YouTube and in meantime teach my dumb brother. So, for today's topic,
I've signed up for it. My name is Mohan Anand and I'm 21 year old and she'll try to teach me budget if she knows anything about it.
So, today's topic is budgeting. A lot of you might have made your 2025 goals, money goals, where to start from. The first thing is definitely a budget. So, what do you think, Mohan? What is a budget?
Something government has to do at the start of the year.
Maybe, yeah. That is also a thing, but we're talking about personal budget. What is your budget? Like my budget as a person, your budget as a person, our budget as a family. What do you think that is?
Just don't spend your money. Done.
Yeah, kind of. Okay. A budget is something when you track your money. So it is like you track what is coming in, that is your income, and you track what is going out, that is your expenses. So instead of wondering where your money went at the end of the month or even in the middle of month in his case, rather it is telling your money where to go. So you have to track your income and then you have to track your expenses and then make sure that you're saving in between as well. What do you think about saving? Do you save?
Well, in my case, try start of the month, like you said. Most of my income is over at the start of the month.
Did you say you use your income at the start of month?
Yeah, and then I just live off Afterpay and ZipPay.
He's lying. He lives off my money afterwards. Anyway,
That's also buy now, pay later, right?
but pay later. Yeah, I haven't seen my money. So, okay, let me show you guys how a simple budget works. We'll record your income first, your income from your main job, which is let's say $2,000, and then your income from your side hustle, or maybe income from your pocket money, or maybe extra cash if you get any. Let's say that is $1,000. Your total income comes to be 3,000. Now, the number one rule that I tell people is not to save what is left after your spending, rather, spend what is left after your saving. So, let's say a typical rule generally, and I think most of the people should do this, is at least save 10% of your earnings. So, if you're making 3,000, save $300, and then go about with your expenses of the month, your rent, your groceries, if you have a pet expenses, or if you like snacking, like in this case,
Yeah,
you
just come to the point, bro.
yeah,
What's the point?
yeah, have a snacking budget as well. Budgeting has to be fun, so we're not cutting out everything. Focus. So yeah, and whatever is left, like try to save after your expenses as well. Whatever is left can go to your emergency fund, and then that can be used later for your vacations, for any other emergency if it ever arises, or for snacks in this case.
Snacks is important.
What did you save last month? Did you save anything?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
saved.
How much?
I saved the money I didn't give you back. So
How much?
that's a start.
How much money did you save last month?
Uh, $20.
What are you saving for? A pack of gums?
Nah, this
2 packs of chips?
this is not sponsored, by the way. I would love to, but
Yeah, anyway, thank you guys. Thank you for listening to our rants and thank you for watching this video full. I have a budgeting tool underneath this video. If you like, you can just download it and start with your budgeting journey. It is a extensive Excel sheet that I have there. So click on the link, get it for yourself, and yes, get ahead of those 2025 goals.
but do I have to like put in everything in it?
So you put your income, then you put your expenses, and then yeah, it will give you a chart of where your money is going. It will give you a chart of all the expenses. I have it very well designed.